Good morning, students. Class 7 Science. Today's our topic silk. Silk is believed to have been first produced nearly 5,000 years ago in China. For thousands of years, the Chinese kept the production of silk a secret. They began to trading silk along the Silk Route in the 13th century. Hundreds of years later, a Chinese princess is believed to have a smuggled silk moth egg out of China, thus enabling people in Europe and the other Asian countries to learn forming of caterpillars and production of silk. Silk is an animal fiber. They the controlled production of silk from silk moth cocoons known as sericulture. Rearing of silk is called sericulture. Several kinds of moth produce silk fiber. Silk is primarily produced in China, India, Southeast Asia and Japan. Life cycle of silk moth. Firstly, egg. The female silk moth lay is large number of eggs. In about 2 weeks time, the fertile live eggs hatch into caterpillars. Larva or larvae. After hatching, the caterpillars larvae feed vigorously. They are fed with fresh mulberry leaves. During this period, the caterpillar shed their skin 4 times, which insect shed his skin. It is called molting while they grow. Pupa, plural pupae. Once of the caterpillar silkworm are above a month old, they stop eating. The stage is called pupal stage. The pupae secrete protein fiber at around them. The fiber harden on the exposure of air and form a cocoon. Each cocoon is made of a single silk fiber around 1 kilometer long. Around 1 kilometer long. Moth. The caterpillar develop in the cocoons and become moths. The moths come out of the cocoons and live for a few days. You have seen the diagram here. Egg, here larva or larvae, here pupa, and here silk moth. Did you know Tassar, Eri and Muga are wild silkworm? The Tassar silkworm mainly feed on larvae of Arjun trees and produce Tassar silk. Eri silkworms feed on castor leaves to produce a brick red color Eri silk. Muga silkworm, found only in Assam, feed on the leaves of som trees and produce lustrous golden yellow Muga silk. Here you have seen Tassar silkworm, Eri silkworm and Muga silkworm. From cocoon to silk. The silk fabric sold in market is mostly made from the silk fiber obtained from the cultivated caterpillars of silk moth. Rearing of silkworms. A female silk moth lays hundreds of eggs. Farmers who rear silkworms keep the egg in a clean place under suitable warm condition and humidity so that the eggs hatch successfully. When the caterpillars, silkworms emerge, they are fed tender, shredded mulberry leaves up to 5 times in a day. The caterpillars eat day and night and grow in size. When the caterpillar stop eating, it at the end of the growth stage or pupal stage. Farmers know that they are ready to spin their cocoons. The caterpillars are then placed in a rectangular frames where they form cocoon. Here, India is the world's second largest producer of silk, and you have seen farmer providing mulberry leaves to the caterpillars. Thank you, student.